Good morning, teachers and my lovely students. Today is October, and we all know that in all over India, today we celebrated as a Gandhi Jayanti because on this day, our great leader Mahatma Gandhi was born, and we not only celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti because on this day another great person was born, and that person was Lal Bahadur Shastri. As we all know that these two great people were born in India, and they were a great politician, or we can say that great political leader, or we can say that they were inspiration for us, and they were a great freedom fighter. So today we have to know about their achievement, and first of all, I will say to all of you about Mahatma Gandhi. So all of you know that Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October in Porbandar, Gujarat, and due to his contribution for the freedom nations is remembered for all over India and inside the heart of the people. And one day, one incident occurred when he was in South Africa. At that time, he was insulted from British people. What happened that when he was traveling from Durban to Pretoria in South Africa, the name of railway station was Pietermaritzburg. So what happened? His ticket was reserved in a first class apartment, but he was thrown out from that apartment. It was said by the ticket collector that this apartment is booked for only white people. So when he was thrown out from that apartment, he felt himself insulted or humiliated, we can say. So from that time, turning point came in the life of Mahatma Gandhi. He think himself that if we are facing discrimination outside in South Africa, we can say in South Africa, then what will be the situation in India? Because India is controlled by British people. So their people also might be facing this discrimination. So I have to return back to India, and at last Gandhiji decided to go India, and he was returned back to India in the year 1915. And in the 1915 when he returned, he started a political career, and one of his mentors, known as Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he guided to Mahatma Gandhi for the political career, and with the help of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Mahatma Gandhi started Satyagraha movement in India, and Satyagraha movement was started from Champaran, Bihar, and it was one of the successful movements. And Mahatma Gandhi is known only for truth and non-violence. And this was one of the first successful movement of Satyagraha movement, as well as we can say that truth and non-violence. And after Satyagraha movement, various movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi, and was non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement. So this was a great achievement of Mahatma Gandhi. And we also know that Mahatma Gandhi was also known as